Hi, so welcome to today's video. I'm going to talk about what is Java. So here are the previous videos which I got in my channel Wikitechy. So everything is 3D animated videos. Hope you will enjoy it. So please watch this video and you can enjoy the other videos also. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about Java. Java is one of the most powerful language, which is the next level version of C++, because it's purely object-oriented programming. So here is the one Java virtual machine. So write once and you can run any operating system. That's why Java becomes real famous. This particular thing happened with the Java virtual machine. So we are going to talk about Java virtual machine in the upcoming things. Apart from that, it's a purely object-oriented programming. So it's based on the class object model. You may ask me, what is class object? Do not worry, you got the exact things and the details about class object in my upcoming stuffs. Apart from that, what is the pre-names of Java? The first name is they called it as oak. And apart from that, they call it as green. And finally, they termed it as Java. So this is the basic thing about Java. So let's talk about how this Java works with the JVM architecture. I want to write a program. And the advantage of Java is it's a platform independent. What is platform independent, man? It's nothing but once if you write the program in any operating system, write once, execute anywhere. That's why it is really famous. It's because of the concept called Java virtual machine. So here is the one. I got the editor where I write the Java program. Yes, good man. I've written the Java program and it is compiled using Java compiler. So this is a compiler. Java C is a compiler. Via the compiler, the written language, the understandable English language is converted into a bytecode. So bytecode, that is called a class file, a java.class file. Okay, on the other end, it will start executing in Java runtime environment using Java and the class name. So this is how it gets executed and you got the output. This is how the functionality is. Okay, so what we are going to see now? Okay. Wow, I got some biryani. That's really awesome, man. Okay, you got some extra biryani. I got some extra content for you. This is how the functionality is you got the Java source code. This Java source code is executed in the Java compiler and it's converted to the Java bytecode. This Java bytecode using Java virtual machine, it get executed and this environment is called Java runtime environment, JRE. Okay, and I went to that place and executed there. So you need someone, right? That is called your just-in-time compiler. You got a just-in-time compiler. Okay, so this is how your Java start executing. Okay, so I got the source code, compiled, bytecode, run in the environment, and this is called Java runtime. Using Java virtual machine, it's get executed, and the processor which is used to convert or execute this program is called just-in-time compiler. Okay, now further digging, I got my editor and you got my Java compiler here. So here is a Java virtual machine. You can see it. For each operating system, you got specific Java virtual machine. You got for Linux is JVM for Linux, Mac JVM for Mac, Windows JVM for Windows. You got a specific virtual machines. This is how your Java works. I got the editor, execute in the source code, and it is converted into bytecode using compiler. And hey, which VM, man? Based on that, start executing. Once again, it's scrolling, man. It's getting scrolling. That's really awesome, man. Okay, so what else we are going to see? Once again, extra biryani. That's awesome, man. Okay, this is how the Java environments are. You got a Java virtual machine and with the libraries like import java.io, import java.string, you got the libraries and these two combined to become Java runtime environment. Java runtime environment with the development tools like a compiler, interpreter, everything. So JRE plus development tools will become JDK. Okay, Java development kit. So this is my JVM. On top of it, I got my JRE. On top of it, I got my JDK. Okay, this is how your environments of Java are. Still it's not completed. Come on, man. Okay, you may ask me a question, sir. I have written a program in Java. You got Java compiler to compile. Do you have any other program? Can I convert to bytecode whether it will execute? Yes. The answer is yes. Okay, I got my editor which I written my Java and it is compiled. If there is any error, you'll be having an error which is raised while compiling. That is called a compiler error. So I'm running the program, sir. While running, if there is any issue or any error, that is called a runtime error. That's called runtime error. It's not run error, it's runtime error. Okay, I got my editor where I written the program. A Java program or any other program. If it is a Java program, the compiler will convert into bytecode executed in the virtual machine. The program is written and it is converted like any other program, not Java, sir, any other program. Is it possible this compiler to convert to bytecode? Yes, that's awesome, man. Then you can execute in JVM. Okay, that's how the Java is. It got the flexibility that, hey, you can write in Java program or you can write in any other language, but I want the bytecode to execute. So this is one of the major advantage of Java. Oh my God, still scrolling, man. That's awesome. Okay, so what else we are going to see? Do we have any extra biryani? Oh yes, I got the food. That food is really awesome, man. Oh, there is a cute kitten, huh? Lovely, lovely, lovely. This is how the segregation is. You got a Java virtual machine and just-in-time compiler. This is the actual bond. On top of it, if you got Java W, libraries, rt.java file, everything is added. It becomes a Java runtime environment. If you got Java C, jar, debugging and Java P environment, then so this one plus all this tool becomes Java development kit. Okay, this is how the Java environments are structured. So if you if you didn't subscribe to our channel, I request you people to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button. The reason is and click that all so that you'll be getting all the notifications once if I load the video. Every week, minimum of 3 to 4 videos I'm planning to make it out for you. Okay, now let's see about how these programs works. So before thinking about how Java works, let's see how the C program or any other program works. I got the C program. I got 3 files: a1.c, b1.c, c1.c. You got your main function, f1 function, f2 function. I got the compiler. The compiler compiles the one. It will convert your human understandable language into machine code. So you got your a1.c become a1.object, b1.c become a2. Oh, wrong. It's a b1. It's wrong. Sorry, I missed out something. I fixed it. Sorry for that. Anyway, over here, you are able to see it here. I got my program. Here is the a1.c program which got f1 and f2. a2.c you got f1 program, f1 function. It's available here. a3 will have this f2 here. These are all the 3 different C files and it is getting compiled. Compilation is nothing but this English language you are able to understand, but the compiled after compilation you can't understand. It's a machine level language or interpreted language. Over here a1.c, this entire program will become an object. a1.obj, this will become a2.obj, this one become a3.obj, and further compiling these objects are integrated to become an a.exe. The final outcome of all this program became an exe. Okay, now and this exe will be I'm clicking that exe. What it will do? It will start executing using RAM. Okay, that's how the C programs are working. Okay, so it is consolidated before coming to the memory. It got everything ready to execute. Okay, this is the problem I'm facing. The reason is very simple. Okay, so depends on the environment. I need to create an exe. Okay, that's where the biggest issue face. You are able to see it doesn't have any Java virtual machine. Here we don't have JVM. Here we don't have any JVM. Okay, because it is a C program I'm executing. Okay, the entire RAM is there and it's getting executed. Okay, once I'm telling you we don't have the JVM here. Whereas the actual JVM, how it works is in the runtime. In the runtime, your Java program will think, hey, this is a Windows operating system, man. Let's fix it based on the runtime environment. It will try to fix it. That is where Java plays a very important role. That's why it is called a platform independent. Okay, if there is any runtime issues, automatically it will try to fix it based on the environment. That's why Java plays a very important role. I'll show you how it works. Over here you got your a1.java, a2.java, a3.java, and the compilation is happening. The file becomes the program which I've written converted into a class. a1.class, a2.class, and a3.class. Automatically, like once your Java virtual machine is ready, now we got JVM here. In the previous, we don't have JVM. Over here, we got JVM. The JVM will have the class loaders. What are the classes I want? I got this one. I got the bytecode verify. Whether these files are correct or not, we need to verify. For that, we need a bytecode verifier, and there is an execution engine. The combination is called a JIT code, just-in-time code compiler or generator. Okay, and this class file is not converted to an exe or final format. It's an intermediate bytecode format, and this bytecode format will start executing in the RAM, and JVM is constructed. JIT compiler will take care of executing this program, and obviously they will include the class, bytecode verified, and execution will start. This is how your Java works. So here is the process. I got the compiler. So you got your example.java. This is the program I got. Okay, I'm going to compile it. While compiling it, it became a class file, example.class, and it will load the hard disk, what is the network, what is the operating system. Based on that, if you start executing, it load the classes, verify the bytecode, interpret it to the specific environment, and execute on the hardware. How your process is working out. So this process is called compilation, and this process is runtime. So both the things are running at a shot. Okay, what else we are going to see? Like before going into my session on this particular topic on Java, I want to tell you, like, our company Kashavi Infotech, we are providing internships, we are conducting in-plan training, and we are guiding the project also. And apart from that, we got a dedicated online classes for you. I'm going to teach you. Okay, we got ethical hacking, Python machine learning, cloud computing, robot designing and embedded, aero designs, 3D modelings, big data, web designing. Apart from that, I'm specialist in almost 183 technology. You can ask me anything, I'm ready to train you. Okay, so please, if you are interested, please contact our team. My company name is Kashav Infotech. Okay, and I got the numbers and everything which will be listed, so you can use that number and you can contact me at any time. I'm ready to help you. So let's move on to the next area. Okay, now I'm going to talk about Java application types. So like I want to create an application. Hey, where are you going to use it, man? Based on that, the application types are different. The one is a standalone application, an Apollo, like a medical store application. It's a desktop application. The example is media player, antivirus, and everything. This is created with the AWT and Swing related tools. And you got the web application comes in the picture, which is created with the servlets, JSP, struts, and JF tools. And like if I want to create an enterprise-based application, a HR management, a loan application, so banking applications and high-level security, load balancing and clustering. So like we need this kind of enterprise application which is used to which is of nature, which is of a high-level security, load balancing, clustering. So these things, these functionalities should be enabled. For that, we need EJB tools. And finally, yeah, normal mobile applications. Yes, I can go with Android and Java micro edition tools are available. Okay, this is how the Java applications are segregated. The Java is used to create all these applications. And if you want to contact me, and here is a contact number, and this is my Insta account. You can click the follow button. You can contact me anytime. I'm ready to help you. Okay, what else we are going to see? So we are going to see about the Java programming. That's the toughest one, man. That's really a good picture, right? I'm enjoying that one. Okay, anyway, so like before that, I want to share you some of the topics which I missed out, and I couldn't talk about those things. The latest thing. That's why I want to talk about those things. The first thing is about the class. What is class? Class is nothing but, sir, I want to create a mobile. Oh, this is a mobile, man. Using this mobile, I created the original mobile. Using this mobile, man, I created another mobile. That's awesome, man. So using this mobile as a reference or a template. As a reference or a template, I created the mobile which I can use it. But this, I can't use it. So this template I can't use, but this one, this is a dummy. This is a dummy, and this is called as class. A class is there. From the class, a new object is created, and this object is used, and class you can't use it. Okay, and every program in Java, you are able to see it here. I got a program written, and this program, based on the compiler, it is compiled into a class file, a bytecode. And this bytecode will get executed based on the specific environment. This is how your Java works. And the program will have a public, static, void, main, string of arguments. Main is nothing but the main function. This is the entry point of Java. See, for my house, that is the entry point. Similarly, your Java will have the main function as the entry point. With the main function, in this side, you got your arguments. You got your arguments. Hey, you're going to the house, huh? What are the things I'm going to take it with me? That is the argument. Well, coming out, what are the things I'm going to take it back? That is how this return void. I'm not taking anything. I'm going to bring something to my house, but I'm not taking out anything from the house. And this function will take care. And over here, public, hey, anyone can access me, man. That is called public. Apart from that, there is a keyword static, indicates, hey, don't create an object for me. You can directly access it. A static means this method can be called without instantiating. You don't want to create an object, directly access the function. That is the keyword static. Okay, this is the functionality. This is the basic command which is given in all the program. Okay, in Java. Okay, now let's move on to the programming, how Java works. So if I'm creating lots of Java files, I put it in a package, a box. It is called a package with the name with the semicolon. And I'm going to create a class, a public class, Venkat Java. So Java is purely object-oriented programming. Everything should be written in a class. And you got a public static void main, which I told you before, and system.out.println, welcome to Java by Venkat, my name. Okay, so I've written a Java file. The name is venkatjava.java. Okay, so this is how it will be. So this is a package, class, main method, and the program body. Okay, so I've written a program, a small program now. So I need to execute. There are like a varieties of way to execute. The one is like you can have an IDE, integrated development environment, like Eclipse or NetBeans to execute, or you can have a legacy command prompt window. You can have a legacy command prompt window. I got my basic command prompt. This is a program I've written. So Java C, what is the file name? venkatjava.java. Okay, Java C, I'm going to execute venkatjava.java. Execute, it's compiled. Java space venkatjava. Once if we execute, yes, I got the output. Welcome to Java by Venkat Kashu Info Tag. That's good, man. Okay, this is how your basic program will be executed with the command line window. Okay, let's move on to the next program. So I got a class, I got a function, I got the main method. So like I've got all the functionality in the main itself. Instead, I got the functionality somewhere. I'm going to call it. This is how it will be. The first one is a class name, and you got the function name, you got the function method, and this is the main function you got. Okay, so I got a big class, under that I got a function and the main function, and this is the function call. The reason is like string A is there, Wikitechy Venkat function is there, and Venkat function is written here, and you got this string as an argument, This function is not returning any value, void. Okay, this is how the functionality is. Okay, now you got an idea, right? So both the things I made as static, don't create any object, access it directly. So you need to give the keyword static. So yes, this is the functionality I've written. I got a class, inside that I got the function, I got the main function, Venkat function, main function is there. Two things are there. Main function is default anywhere in all the program, you must and you should have. Okay, so now I got this structure. Now let's see like how the program is going to execute. Okay, I'm waiting. Now the entry point is like main function, so the function will be working from the main. Okay, so the execution starts now. That's really awesome. It's moving on. My animation is good, man, and I'm enjoying my animation, you know. Okay, so now I'm moving here. Over here, you are able to see it here. Like my main function is executed. A Wikitechy A variable started coming up, and afterwards, like my Venkat function is called. Now the program is going on to my Venkat function. Yes, Venkat function is executed, and the arguments is taken. That is Wikitechy is taken, and the system.out.println and the value is executed. You got the outputs, and once again. So once if it called, it will come back here. Okay, once if it called, it will come back here. That's the nature. Okay, so Venkat function is called and it is executed. That's the output. Okay, this is how it is going to get executed. Okay, now I'll try to show you, like, see, you can see this is a Wikitechy, this is the argument, this is passed via this function, and the value is moving on to the like a Venkat function. Yes, like that Wikitechy value is moving on to the function. This is passed as an argument for the function, and this is used by the function. Okay, I've done the max to explain you how the program works, man. Okay, anyway, like this is how the program start executing. Okay, now this time for me to show you how the output is moving on. Okay, here is the output. You are able to see the program here. I got my public static void main. String A is equal to Wikitechy, that's good. Argument is passed, my Venkat function is there, Venkat function is given, and this is returning void, and the argument is passed, and parameter is passed. System.out.println and the value given by Venkat Kashian for tech is the val. Okay, I given a custom string to show you something good. Okay, so Java C, Venkat Java.java, that's good, no error. Java, I'm going to execute Java, Venkat Java. The val given by Venkat Kashiv Infotech is Wikitechy. Looks good, man. I got the output. This is how you are able to execute your program. Let's move on to the next program. So we have shown like a one class under that main method and another function. What else we are going to see it now? I don't know. Let's see. So like before going with my session, like I want to share you the great news about our company. Like I'm conducting a 3D animated technological courses on ethical hacking, Python, machine learning, data science, Java related stuff, Android programming, and web designings with the PHP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, cloud computing with the AWS, and you got your DevOps, developer operatives like a DevOps, and apart from that, you got a big data, it's only software. We got electronics and mechanical also. So I'm specialist in 3D modeling and AutoCAD designs and SolidWorks. You can talk to me. Apart from that, you got electronics, robotics, embedded IoT. I'm teaching those things. The languages in English and Tamil versions I'm teaching you is completely 3D based, and you'll be watching me 100% practical program days. Like we got 10 days and 20 days program we are conducting at flexible timing, and here is a link. Just watch this link and you can see all those stuffs and the timing and everything. So we got IoT, robotics, electronics, everything is there with the embedded system. Okay, if you're interested, you just contact us anytime. We are ready to help you. And we got a dedicated 4-course package also. Yeah, 90% offer cost. Ethical hacking, complete ethical hacking. We got Python, machine learning, and data science. It's a 4-course bundle with a $4,500 charge. Contact number, registration links, and you got 20 days 3D base certificate given, 2 projects, and everything is a flexible timing. If you're interested, please contact us anytime. We are ready to help you, and you'll love my sessions for sure. I assure you for that. Okay, apart from that, my company Kashiv Infotech, we are developing softwares, website creation at a very low cost. Sir, I don't have job, sir. I need some career guidance, sir. I need to do something, sir. I'll be guiding you for the career, technology support, job guidance, everything. I'm ready to do it. Please contact me at any time. Okay, so here is the one. This is the next program we are going to see it now. Over here, instead of a string, oh, I gave integer. I gave integer here. So 10 is the value. It is passing here, integer. Okay. Okay, so I didn't change anything. So instead of string, I got integer here, integer int, string like given, parameters passed, int here. So previously got string and string here. It got int and int here. So I'm trying to pass, instead of a string, I'm trying to pass an integer here. Simple. So a minor change I made to show you like how it works with how it deals with the integer. The same program dealing with integer, simple. Okay, dealing with integer. Okay, let's see the outputs. Okay, here is the one. So int a is equal to 10, and I got my Venkat function a, and the Venkat function argument is passed. You are getting the value. Now I'm going to execute it. So Java C, compile it. Now Java, executing it. 10, that's good. So I got the outputs, which I specified there. I made as 20 now. See how it works. Java C. Yeah, it's working fine. 20 is coming out. Okay, it looks good, man. Okay, so now you got an idea like how the parameters are passing in the functions. What else we are going to see? Oh, I'm going to talk about two classes, how Java works. I got usual Venkat Java class, main function and the main class and the subclass. That's not function, it's class. You got a class, outer class, a class name. You got the function name. So a class got a function in it, man. Okay, I got the function method, and this is the main class. And under that, you got the main function here. You got the main function here, and into that, I'm going to call that class. Hey, I want to call another class, man. You need an object. So to invoke a class, I need an object. Okay, you are able to see here. So the class name is outer class, and I created an object. Outer object is equal to new outer class. Now automatically, once if the object is created, it is going to call that class. Hey, do we have any class? Oh, that is a class, man. So I call this class. Now it come back here. Now the object is created. The object got a capability to call the function, Venkat function. So it went to the class, call that function, take the argument and use that argument there, executed, and your 10 value is printed, came back to the original place. It. Now the program is executed. Okay, this is how the flow of the program is. Okay, this is the flow of the program. Hope you got an idea like how it works. Okay, you are able to see here to create an object. Now this is how it executes. My 10 values there, then my 10 values getting replicated, and my 10 values moving up. This functional, like the object is created, the object function is called, the argument is passed, and this 10 value is moving on. Okay, this Venkat took this is passed as a parameter. This is passed as a parameter to the function Venkat function. Looks good. Venkat function is called, and this parameter is given as an argument, or it is getting executed there. Okay, this is how the function works. I really worked very hard for this particular Java programming. You are able to see it here. This is how I got two classes, outer class and the Venkat Java class. This got the main function. Then this main function, this class is called class name, object name dot function name. Automatically it is getting executed. Okay, so this is how the program is like so you got two classes now here. Okay, hope you understood like how it works. So hope you understood how it works, and now it's time for me to execute the program. Let's execute this program now. Okay, I think it's a very lengthy video. I worked really hard. For okay, let's see like how it executes. Even I feel thirsty. Okay, this is the program I got. As I told you, you got public class Venkat Java. I got the main method. Now I got the variable a is equal to 60. I got the outer class. For this class, for the top class, I create an object. And I got the Venkat function from the object. Using this object, I'm calling that function. Okay, this is how the standard is. Okay, the function is called. Automatically, the argument is passed and it is getting executed. The a value is 60 and it will get executed now. Okay, a very simple program with the two classes. Okay, now Java C, I'm executing the program. Now Java, I'm executing it now. You are able to see the value is 60 here. Okay, my program got executed. So now I changed as 100. Now let me see whether it works. Yes, the value is 100. This is how two classes are executing. What else we are going to see? Oh, we got three classes now. You got your first class, you got your second class, and this is the main class calling the first class and the second class. Good. Okay, you are able to see I got the first class, I got the variable x is equal to 10. You got the second class with the variable y is equal to 20. And you got your main method, main class. In this main class, you got the function, your main function. And over here, you got two, like a first class. For this first class, I create an object. For the second class, I create an object. I'm executing it. Okay, so your class name is given, and you got the class variables, and there is another class name. I need to take. Yes, I got the another class name, and I got some class variables. Yes, it's a class variable I got. You got the class variables here. Good. Over here, this is the main class which I'm going to show you now. It's my main class, and under that main class you got your main function. You got your main function here. Yes, you got your main function. Now this is the function body. Under the function body, you got your first class. I create a first class object. You can have any name. Okay, and use that object to call the function, to call the variable, This is a second class object. For that, I use the variable. Okay, first class object is created and accessed, and you got the second class object is created and it is going to be accessed. Okay, this is how your program works. Now I got three classes. I shown you like how it is called. Okay, so hope you got an idea like how it works. Now this is a program I got. Sorry, yes, sorry for that. Okay, anyway, like how it works, let's see. How is the program flows? As I told you, wherever the program is written, it will start from the main function. Now the first class object is created, and automatically your class is called. You are able to see the first class is called, and you can see it here, the first class object. Obviously it will invoke that x variable and it is printed. That's good. And my second class object is called. The second class is called now, and the second class object dot variable is called. Automatically it will go and call that variable. It is getting printed. This is a flow of the program. And finally this braces will be executed, close brackets and everything. That's it. Okay, now yes, looks good, man. Okay, now how the variable is passed is the one which I'm going to show. Here is the 10 value, and this 10 value is getting printed once an object is created for the class. That is the one I'm trying to show you. Yes, this over here it is getting printed. So the output is the first class object space 10, and the second class object, this is the value, it is passed, and it is second class object 20. This is the output we are going to receive it. So hope you got an idea, and it's time for me to tell you like how the execution works. Okay, here is the execution. So now I use NetBeans and IDE. Okay, instead of a command prompt window, we can run the Java program in IDE also. That is the one I'm trying to teach you. So you got the class ready, and you got the second class ready. You got the Java application which is there. You got the Java application which is there, and you got the main function also. Okay, my program is ready. Okay, you got the first class and everything. I told you before, so everything I've explained. So I don't want to continue the same dialogue, man. Okay, so I got my first class and a second class with the objects created. Okay, and the program is saved as a Java application 1.java because the main functions class is Java application 1. Okay, okay, so you are able to say this is your NetBeans environment. It's a flexible UI based. I'm going to run it. On the top I have clicked it. Now it's getting executed. First class object 10, second class object 5. Okay, so we got the outputs. This is how the Java program is working. Hope you enjoy my session. Before finishing my session, I want to share you one thing. If you're looking for any Java courses, internships, or projects, so you can contact us anytime. Here is the registration links and everything. And apart from that, here is my contact numbers and WhatsApp numbers. And if you're looking for Java courses to learn, here is the link to contact us. And for internships, and here is the links I've given. So you can check all the links and everything. And if you're interested, you can contact me at any time. I'm ready to help you. Apart from that, as I told you, we got online internships and direct internships. You can come down to my office. You will be getting training from me. So hope you enjoy my video. Please, I request you people to share my videos to every one of you. And here is a Java complete tutorial if you want to learn online with wikitechy.com/tutorial/Java. That is my content. I prepare all the contents and everything. And apart from that, I request you people to share this video to your friends and everyone. Hope you enjoy my session. This is Venkat signing off from Wikitechy and Kashan Product. Thank you. And you can post your comments and everything for any other technology.